Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook notifications not working. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now this might happen after a new update or maybe after you have bought a new phone and you just downloaded Facebook. The easiest way to solve this is to exit out of Facebook, make sure to close it fully. And then from here you're going to make sure to check that you have your Do Not Disturb off. So currently I have it on so I do not get any notifications. So make sure that you have that thing off. Once you turn that off, you're going to then go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, you're going to click on the notifications section. And you can see right here, there's app notifications and the first one. And so from here, you can see all the apps that I have the notifications enabled. So to search for Facebook, you're going to click on the button on the top right and search for Facebook. And as you can see, Facebook is not one of the apps that I have notifications enabled for. And so what you can do is go back. Then from here, go back to the apps. Then from here, you're going to go to see all apps. Then from see all apps, you're going to check for Facebook. Now from Facebook, you can see notifications on the top. And as you can see right here, I just enabled all notifications for it. So for you, you might see it as like this, where you haven't allowed notifications from this app. Once you enable it, then you should be all set. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.